Shopton County in east central Ohio, Quincy County in east central Ohio, Muskingum County in east central Ohio, Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until 2:15 a.m. At 1:24 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Drake, or near Dillon State Park, and was moving northeast at 85 miles an hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Drake, Zanesville, Duncan Falls, Philo, Chandlersville, Cooperdale, Bridgeville, Adamsville, Norwich, Conesville, Ferncliff, New Concord. This is a dangerous storm. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Now